What are autonomous vehicles? They're also known as self-driving cars. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of autonomous vehicles. We'll learn how they work and delve into their extended uses in both commercial and military sectors. So let's get started. What are autonomous vehicles? Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars, are vehicles that can navigate and operate without human intervention. They use a combination of sensors, cameras, radars and artificial intelligence to perceive their environment and make decisions. How do they work? Autonomous vehicles use a technology called LiDAR, which sends out pulses of light to bounce off objects and return to the sensor. The time it takes for the light to return helps the vehicle determine the distance of the object. They also use radar sensors to detect the speed and position of objects and cameras to identify traffic lights, signs and other visual features. All this information is processed by an onboard computer that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to make driving decisions. Commercial uses. In the commercial sector, autonomous vehicles have the potential to revolutionize transportation. First, ride-sharing and taxi services. Companies like Uber and Lyft are investing in autonomous vehicles to provide safer and more efficient ride-sharing services. Second, trucking and delivery services. Autonomous trucks can operate around the clock, increasing efficiency and reducing delivery times. Military uses. In the military sector, autonomous vehicles can provide numerous advantages. First, reconnaissance and surveillance. Autonomous drones can be used for reconnaissance missions, providing real-time information without putting human lives at risk. Second, transport and supply. Autonomous vehicles can transport supplies in dangerous zones, reducing the risk to military personnel. Autonomous vehicles are not just a futuristic concept. They're here, and they're transforming the way we live and work. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more changes in the years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching for more tech videos.